together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Here we are, another week, another recipe, another idea. This time we're gonna prepare a salad, quite easy, quite tasty as well. I prepared it and I just enjoyed preparing it and eating it. It's a refreshing one. We're gonna start cutting some melon, as like you see here. I'm gonna use it like small pieces because the idea of the small pieces is once we are eating the salad, all the pieces go together to your mouth. All the ingredients goes together and the combination of flavor is just fantastic. I leave you at your choice the size of it, but you may see here this is small, like around half a centimeter, and that's it. And now we're gonna proceed with the cucumber. I'm using baby cucumber. The idea to use of baby cucumber is they have less amount of water, so if you use the regular cucumber you may need to take out the water with a little bit of salt, but that's why I'm using the baby cucumbers. Just that's it. That is the only reason I'm using it, because the less amount of water that will leave in the salad. Just cut it the same size of that I use for the melon itself, just like that. Now the idea of some Serrano with everything. I'm using some Serrano I brought from Spain my last trip in April. I still have some, so gonna cut it same small pieces and to a pot, just like that, and just look quite easy, not a big deal. So now pistachio. With pistachio you can of course buy it already taken out of the shelf, but I didn't have any, and in my mortar I will add my pistachio. I will prepare my vinaigrette. I got some lime, mustard, salt, pepper and honey, and of course extra virgin olive oil. This time I got it from Spain. My wife got it a present from her colleague, and so it's always nice to use the presents and taste them. So like I said, I got a lime here, I got some mustard, extra virgin olive oil. I ran out of it, now I'm using this one, and some honey also from a colleague of my wife. He does his own honey, which is very nice. So now we are using it for our dressing. Just like that, we're almost ready with the dressing and almost ready with the salad. Now just bring it all together, taste it, adjust acidity, salt, a little bit of sweetness if you like to, but you are almost ready. Let's emulsionate here in the mortar all together, and the pistachio is in chunks, so it's just crunchy. Bring also a bit of crunchiness to the salad. That's it. Little bit of salt, I forgot it. Now a little bit of pepper, and now I can say we are ready to go. Just like that. Mix it, emulsionate it till the end. Look, quite easy, isn't it? So far it's very easy recipe. You can make it every time at home. Like you see all the ingredients there. Now I'm gonna add some fresh mint. I'm gonna just chop it now, and to our salad, just fresh. Just before you are serving your salad, you're gonna cut and add your herbs, otherwise they might get dark. We don't want it in the dark. We don't want to get damage our herbs. We want them fresh and green. Now help yourself with a spoon, mix it all together, and you are ready to serve it. So if you like it to here, hit the thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I hope you like it. Take care.